Hi guys, Jouko here, back with another vampire video, because fair has to be fair, okay? Now, yesterday I uploaded part 2 of this vampire review, and I must say, with the newest core that was, at some place at the Discord and stuff like that, the owner of this card did update everything on the SD card. It runs much better now. And as I said earlier, fair has to be fair. Today, I read through all the comments on YouTube. Guys, I haven't answered all of you, but I am reading all of your comments and I'm so thankful. Thank you guys. I've got also messages on my, through my email, retrojango@gmail.com. And one of the things that I got from you guys was to activate cache. When activating cache, and most of you guys said you don't even understand why it's not just activated by default, because the image is just a default image, guys. So I activated cache, and I must say, after doing that, I mean, why is it not activated? But after doing that, I want to show you one thing, okay? You have to see this. F10, delete, help. There we go. You have to see this, guys. Again, fair has to be fair, okay? So we are in demo this here. If we go down to a sensation and press here, so it activates cache, okay? I just tried it, and I must say I have to share it with you guys. So I'm sure you can go into adjustments, preferences, and have that cache on always. But I want to show you something. On the first video, this was just gibberish. Second video, it was better. But look at this. Newest core, cache activated. It will have writing here, and it will change with the music. And look at how it runs. This is the Vampire V1200 Vampire. Look at this. Look down here. Oh, this is nice. Okay, this is nice. Check this one out, guys. I will just be quiet so you can enjoy it with me. Yes, what do you think? It fixed it! Ah, it works, man! That's great! I mean, now it runs, now it emulates, now it recreates real nice. Guys, I would just call it emulation. It's much more easier for me, and don't get angry. It emulates the CPU so nice, it works great. Some people says, also on the comments, the Amiga just gives it power and nothing else. I'm not pro-con, I'm not against nothing, man. Because some people also did write to me, they want an 060 CPU, but the cars, they're not easy to get, and the Vampire, you have to wait 6, 9, 12 months, whatever, and you will get it. And it feels like high-end Amiga stuff is in shortage, and we have chip shortage right now. So it is what it is, guys. But I just had to make this video and show that if you buy Vampire and activate cache, it will run much better. Now I think that cache stuff is for the for speed only. So if let me try Switchblade. I don't think it will activate cache here. I don't think it will remove the compatibility issues that the Vampire has, but also I think it will be better. The reason I'm filming this, it's two reasons actually. The first, fair has to be fair. I want to I want to share my experience with you guys. Of course, that's the first one. But the second one, on Facebook, on YouTube, yeah, it doesn't remove the... Oh, okay, so when we activate cache, the graphical errors are actually worse on this game. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, it is what it is, guys. We still have graphical glitches. F10, there we go. We have different eject buttons in different games. You can actually also make that to run, F10 only. But let's go ahead and try. A game that requires more speed. Now look at this, guys. I'm betting you. Okay, Alien Breed 2, 3D, 4 megabyte, and I activated cache. Now this on the video yesterday, it didn't run perfect, but now we will have the maximum power of the vampire card. There we go. Come on. I really... Yes. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Now I don't know how to enter. Yeah. All right. Look at this, guys. Much better. With cache on, it will speed everything up, and you can play 3D games. Or there we go. Red alien, okay. Yeah, you are getting the idea here. There we go. That was help. Oh. And the second reason, my friend is actually... He says that the vampire is okay, but it is made for people that like to, tinker around and update and, just like the cache, do some stuff. He just wants everything to be easier. That sounded negative. My friend doesn't want to keep the vampire. This card is sold. It is bought by a German guy. Congratulations, dude. Let me just run Quake 2 and... Oh, we can't do cache on these games. So that can... Okay, let me see. Quake. Oh, Quake 1 here. Okay, this is not as much... this doesn't require as much power. Quake. Okay, this should run well. Okay, the second part is, guys... As I can see by the messages, people are torn about this. People want to buy the vampire card, and the messages I'm getting, they are... Yeah, okay. I mean, it works, but... Yeah, again, something with settings. Of course it can run. I mean... It can run this. It's something with settings. But I just saw today you guys are writing to me. You want to buy this card, but after what you saw here, you are not sure and stuff like that. Guys, messages like that made me wanna investigate this and make another video and telling you if I can help any company to sell some of their stuff so they can make more hardware for the Amiga, I will do whatever I can, okay? Absolutely. I would say if you're interested in a vampire, go ahead and buy it. If you don't care about hardware recreation stuff, if you don't think about that, if you don't just want a fast system, go ahead and buy it, because the team behind this, they have made this standalone version, but the rumor says that they're working on that standalone V4 version, optimizing that, and we're when they're done, they will implement the same software to V2. So this one will also, you know, this one will also be better by time, getting new cores all the time. So if I can help a company to sell more of these cards, I would love to. We tested Quake 2 yesterday. I can't, you know, check that cache box. But as you saw, Amiga stuff, you know, Amiga demos, just like a Sensation demo. And what was more, an Alien Breed 3D, again, Amiga game. Just click on that cache and it will run much smoother. It loads faster, everything. It makes a huge difference. So thank you guys, all you guys that wrote to me, go in and activate cache. On this video we had, on the last video, we had no negativity. That was so great. Of course, I also blocked, you know, 5, 6, 7 guys from the first video, but we had no negativity. No, I don't want to show stuff. Again, something my settings. This can also run better, I'm sure. Let's just run some Amiga stuff in the background, okay? Not PC stuff. Or Scum VM, that's fun. This works. I reviewed the Vampire in an Amiga 600 3 years ago, and back then, 3 years ago, this Scum VM worked perfect on a Vampire. So today, it just works, guys. It's great. So I want to say, with the newest core, it runs better. I don't know how much the Vampire card costs today. I know there are some issues with yeah, you have to wait. That's it, okay? CPU shortage, everything. You know how the world is in 2021. We have to wait. I don't know the price. I think it costs 300 euros or something like that. But I mean, for the money, you can still, you know, if you want to write stuff, if you want to, you know, play adventure games, watch demos, just activate the cache. But I also have to say, the old ECS, OCS games, actually also on some PC games, 3D games, it still has some issues. I can't, you know, we can't hide that. You just saw Switchblade 2. There are other games that has stuff like that. But on my first review, we had trouble with Turricane 2, and the Apollo team fixed that. So I am sure that they're working on updating this and you know, and fixing it. So maybe in, you know, 2023, the Vampire card will be super nice. I don't know, V8, whatever. But if we want a V8 version, then we have to buy these cards. We have to support the company behind it, and you know, that's the only way, man. That's the only way to do this. I played this game on a 486 DX4 100 megahertz. Oh, man. Listen to this.
Let's find out who they are.
It's just so cool, man. Yeah. Oh man, 1995. Mark Hamill? I didn't know that. I was a little kid. I didn't know who he was. Wow, man. Okay, so this video should be called Vampire Review Part 3. Fair has to be fair. Activate cache and you will have a lot of fun with it. So the next upcoming videos, guys, we are this card is sold, so no more vampire. Don't run to me. Please try this. Let's try that. It's gone. It's already sold, so it is leaving the house today. My friend's gonna send it to Germany. So after this, we're going to test Apollo 1260, the 68060 in this beautiful Amiga 1200. We're going to test Terrible Fire 1260 in this beautiful Amiga 1200. Actually, this Amiga 1200 runs with this beautiful card, man, which is it's a 68020 that runs at 28 megahertz, and it has got an FPU that runs at 33 megahertz, and has got 1 meg of RAM here and 8 megabytes of RAM here. And you know what? This little card costs peanuts, and it gives me so much joy. All the WHD games works amazing, guys. So for peanuts, if you like to play Amiga WHD games, you can have so much fun, man. So much fun. So I want to say thank you for watching. Fair was fair, and it's like the vampire is just going this way for me, man. It's getting better and better. Someday I will find my Amiga 600 with the 3-year-old vampire in it, and I will plug it in and use it. Install the newest code and stuff like that. Core. Because I don't know if that runs AGA games. I don't know if I haven't checked, but if it does, that could be cool, man. That could be cool. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you feel it's a third time, but it's a fair review. So activating the cache, wow, man, that helps. Hope you enjoyed this one. Again, my dear Patreon supporters, thank you, guys. And all the others, I wish you a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for making everything fair. Okay. We don't like that internet warrior, keyboard warrior stuff. Stop negativity. Negativity, I don't even answer it. I just click on the block button, and that guy's just blocked forever. Isn't that great? So just keep it positive. If you don't like emulation, keep it to if you don't like hardware recreation, keep it to yourself. If you only like the 060, it's fair. If you love the vampire, it's fair. We are all different. And also, guys, we earn different amount of money. Okay, I think this card costs 300. I don't know. The Blizzard 1260 costs 700. You know, so we earn different amount of money, and everything is just international over same price over eBay now. So some people just don't have the money to buy, 4 Amiga 4000s and have different setups. I have some subscribers that has got, stacked Amiga 4000s pictures I'm getting. They have got everything, and it looks beautiful. It's great. Amiga 3000s, 2000s, everything pumped up. They love them, and I just love all the happiness they give the Amiga love. The Amiga gives them love back. It's great. But I also have subscribers that has their old Amiga 500, and they write to me, "Oh, dude, those videos with GoCheck Drive, it looks great. After watching that, I ordered a GoCheck Drive from eBay, installed it, and I can play so many games with 1 megabyte of RAM." And you know what, guys? That's Amiga love too. I love that part too. Okay, it needs to load, but a lot of Amiga love, man. An Amiga 500 with 1 megabyte of RAM, it can do magic. Not PC stuff, but still magic. So a lot of love from me to all you guys out there. Have a great day, man. Have a great day. Bye.